This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Highlander. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a CD player, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.